Okay. Hi. Good morning.
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 Good morning. Welcome to my presentation, and I need you guys participate.
To participate?
And I prepared my presentation by PowerPoint. It's my first time. I wanted to try, and then I did it. So from now, I'll start. Okay. So you guys can see these pictures, and
How did you get a photo of me up there? I'm joking. Go.
yeah, you guys can see really sexy women, and these women are group singers in Korea. And I want to ask you guys, how do you feel? So, Tomo, how do you feel?
So sexy.
Yeah, please tell me to be honest and typing.
I like it, why not?
Okay, more detail. I need. Oh, Sam.
Detail?
More detail?
More detail?
You mean which member I like?
Or
You are
especially,
good
I like these women. Like, yeah.
Oh, I like the stocking.
That's really good. And how do you feel?
Crazy.
The dancing very good.
Yeah. Are you familiar with this group?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Who is that?
I think especially she is Chinese.
Please.
Yeah, she can use Mandarin. She can speak Mandarin. Yeah. Okay. Let's move
You're
on.
not gonna ask the girls?
Pardon?
You're not gonna ask the girls how they feel?
Yeah. Next time.
Oh, okay.
And this is famous in Korea. He is actor and he also actor and he's singer. But he's in
Army.
yeah he's in army. And how do you feel, Ellie, when you see this picture?
Nice shape. Abs.
And Julie?
Of course, I like the picture. Good.
Good.
Okay. When we saw this kind of picture or these guys on the TV, we usually feel really nice, and we want imitate them, so we want to follow them. But I think we want to follow just their behavior. So we usually diet because of them, and we usually hard weight training because of them. But I think it's unnecessary. Or of course, sometimes it's necessary, but I think it's not necessary for kids. And my topic is influence of media on kids. Oh, wonderful. Okay. Look at that, their smile. They are kids. And they have a lot of dream when they are kids, and we can figure out their smile and eyes. But nowadays, we cannot figure out their smile and their dream and their childness easily. Do you know
Childhood?
childness?
Child?
CHILDNESS.
Yeah.
Maybe this is
Child.
old vocabulary, but I couldn't find correct definition,
Okay.
so I used. I think you have to
Your
study
child
more.
is what?
Okay. And nowadays we can see some kids on the TV, and this is one of variety shows in Korea, and I wanna talk about Korea issues. Korea's social issue, and they are Korean kids, and they usually show us their dance and their originality. And nowadays we gonna see some strong points. So when we, this is kind of contest, and they usually mark their dance point or their appearance like that. And when I saw this kind of kids, I felt uncomfortable. And they aren't look like kids. They usually wear sexy outfit and sexy costume, and they usually dance strangely, sexy dance, but they are, I think, just elementary school or kindergarten student. And when I saw this kind of program with my parents, my father usually says, "What the hell?" And then my father usually changed the TV channel. And I want to talk about some problems nowadays in Korea, in Korea. And first problem is losing childness.
That's not a word. But anyway, go on. Are you trying? Is that positive or negative?
Childness?
Yeah. Anyway, let's move on. But you mean positive or negative?
Only childness? I think neutral.
Just
Yeah.
childlike,
Yeah.
childhood, losing
no,
their
not
child,
childhood. Childlike.
like childlike.
Yeah. Child
But
has
we can't make it into a
Yeah.
noun. We
child
should be
has
able to.
own their looks like child, but
Yeah,
nowadays
yeah.
they look like adult and they wanna
Child.
decorate by
Likeness?
themselves. Yeah.
Okay, go on.
Okay. Nowadays, they usually copy some idols, dance or appearance, and nowadays, when we ask their dream or their object or goal, some child, they usually say, "I wanna appear on the TV," or "I wanna do plastic surgery," but they are still kids. I think it's really hot social issue in Korea. And the other problem is fashion. We usually wear, when I was a kid, I usually wear that my parents bought me. I didn't think about, and I didn't consider about my fashion. I just wear what my parents bought. But nowadays, they have their own opinion, and they gonna check their fashion, and they gonna match their fashion with idol star. So, okay, let's move on. And third problem is sex. I saw some tragic news in Korea, maybe 2008 year, in Daegu, and they are elementary school students, but they did sex. They had sex with their classmate in the classroom after finish school. They were elementary school students, and I thought it's just one accident, but after that, some happening happened, and then next also happened. So nowadays, this kind of tragic is increasing now, because they can see on the TV, during watching TV, they can see actor and actress kiss each other many times, and they can see some adult video whenever they want because of internet or some reason.
Steve, can you wait a minute?